trying to monitor your mind? No. We are trying to enrich your mind with different ideas. Whenever we give you an idea, we don't want you to copy dot to dot. We want you to utilize it, analyze it, and make some changes and come up with some direction of thought. When a small child goes out, parents always give them guidance so that the child is able to reach to the right place. The idea is not to misguide you, but idea is to enrich you. जो ये सत्र है जिसमें आपने कहानी के बारे में विभिन्न आइडिया लेने की कोशिश की है, ये इसलिए नहीं दिया जा रहा कि आपको एक बनावट सिखाई जाए, इसलिए दिया जा रहा है ताकि आपको विचारों से रईस बनाया जाए, धनी बनाया जाए, ताकि आप विचार में विभिन्न प्रकार के विचारों के धन से लाभान्वित हों। दूसरी बात, जब आप इस को समझ लेते हैं तो आपको खुद ब खुद कई नए आइडिया आ जाएंगे और कई ऐसे विचार आ जाएंगे जो आपको लगेगा उचित है। जब तक विडंबना होती है, जब तक भ्रम होता है, जब तक लोगों को समस्या होती है, एक विचार होता है किंकर्तव्य विमूढ़ता का, तब तक वो ना जाने क्यों अपने पे संदेह करते और उनके विचार को प्रकट नहीं कर पाते। तो ये सत्र उसी लिए काम कर रहा है कि आपके डर को खत्म किया जाए। आप में से कई लोगों ने मेल के जरिए हम लोग को जानकारी दी कि भाई ये तस्वीर का दीजिए, तो चलिए इस पे काम करते हैं, उम्मीद है आपको समझ में आएगा। दूसरा, ये विचार देते समय मैं आपको एक प्रणाली भी सिखाना चाहूँगा जिससे आपको अगली बार अपने विचार अपने आप जनन करने की क्षमता हो। See, I am going to teach you a methodology which will help you to develop your own thoughts. It is very important that the next generation should be rich with thoughts. It is very sad that many of you are following perfunctory systems. Perfunctory माने बिल्कुल सीमित ढंग से. You are going by, just going by chances. You're just going by luck into the SSB. You should not do that. आपको अपनी मेहनत और अपने प्रयास को पूर्ण रूप से समझना चाहिए. You should practice it and do it well. So that is the reason. So here we go. So I hope you all people learn. Now we have included some, we will be including some more people next time. So please forgive if your idea has not been included this time. It will come next time. Now this idea requested by Smriti Sharma from Sonipat. There is a lady standing here and there's a man looking ill, right? Now what happens? Suppose this situation comes in PPDT. अगर ये PPDT में आएगा तो आपको इसी में से एक जन को हीरो बनाना पड़ेगा। यानी इस समय ये तो बेचारा बेहोश है और ये रो रही हैं, तो इसको क्या करेंगे आप कि अपनी हीरोइन को बना लीजिए। एक लड़की, मतलब हीरोइन माने पिक्चर स्टोरी के हीरो, आपने इसको मान लीजिए स्मृति जी का ही नाम लेते हैं। स्मृति परेशान थी क्योंकि उनके हस्बैंड या उसका बड़ा भाई की तबीयत बहुत खराब थी, तो उसने देर तक उसकी सेवा की। फाइनली वो जब सो गया तो परेशान थी, थोड़ी रोई, पर उसने बोला इससे तो काम बनेगा नहीं। उसने अपनी हिम्मत दिखाई और उसके बाद पुनः आफ्टर दैट क्या किया उसने, पुनः अपने को संभाला, तुरंत उसकी रिपोर्ट्स लेके डॉक्टर के पास गई, आइडेंटिफाई किया, बेहतर डॉक्टर और इलाज के साथ दिन रात मेहनत की और कुछ दिनों में उसके स्वास्थ्य में लाभ हुआ एंड ही गॉट बैक. So now what is done? We have taken in PPDT 5 to take. We will have to take someone from there. So we can take the girl only. Suppose it is Smriti only. Smriti found that a brother or her father or whoever she wants to make her husband was seriously ill, as he had picked up an infection and he was having great difficulty. After giving him the proper medicine, and finally he slept. So once he slept, she was very disturbed. She was crying, but she realized this will not do the job, and she gathered all her courage, and thereafter she systematically, with a calm composure mind, decided how to consult, which doctor to consult, went to that doctor, got the necessary medicine, kept giving the treatment properly along with managing her daily duties. Finally, within a few days, maximum fortnight, the person became thoroughly okay, totally okay, and she was very happy that the person was back into his feet. Yes, you can write a story. अब मान लीजिए पीपीडीटी ना हो, नॉर्मल हो, तो आप बाहर से भी एक व्यक्ति ला सकते हैं. One so and so saw her sister crying. When he reached, he realized that his brother-in-law had met an accident and was seriously injured. Now he first consoled the sister. उसने पहले बहन को मनाया, told her not to worry, and he immediately got into action. He identified what were the problems. He took that report to the doctor, analyzed their case, thereafter gave them a proper medical treatment with the proper care. As they realized that injuries were little more deep, so they shifted him to hospital where care can be taken better. And finally, due to good efforts of the brother, whoever your name you want to put that person, where his brother-in-law became okay and his sister became happy. So you can write that. So you can create, suppose you take Sanjeev Sharma was the brother of Smriti. One day he saw this and thus he did. So you can write a good story. Always try to get onto handling the solution. There are many people who look at the problem and they describe the problem. This is a problem, that is a problem. No, we are looking at solution finders. जो लोग समस्या का निवारण करें और तस्वीर के हिसाब से लगे, क्योंकि the picture is clearly showing a person ill, in bad condition, sleeping, right? And one person crying. So we have to utilize it. We cannot get somehow the story and try to call it a movie scene or a drama. No. You'll have to make a genuine story. Genuine story from day-to-day life. Not that Jupiter, Mars, Pluto, Neptune. Is it clear? Samjhega. So I hope, Smriti, you got the idea. And for the others also, you picked up some ideas, please. Now let's get down to this idea request by Avnish Dua. Again, there is a lady. This time the lady is ill and the man is putting hands. So you can always create again similar type of story, because again it's a health problem or it's a studies problem. So and so found that his sister has picked up heavy fever. He gives her proper treatment, gives her the patti. You do that, don't you? And then you put the patti, you give the medicines and made her sleep. When she finally, after some time, the temperature got down, he decided to go wash his face and he sat down with the books nearby only. And so that he can not only study but also keep a watch on a sister or a wife, whatever you want to make. So this way, in day-to-day circumstances, if you will have the courage to resolve rightly, practically, with courage, I think you're doing a wonderful job. So that is something which they will be requesting you, and you can write this story. अगर आप ये कहानी में बहुत अच्छे से देखें, क्योंकि ये लिटी पड़ी हैं, जाहिर सी बात है तबीयत खराब है और ये जनाब अपने सर पे हाथ रखें, तो आप उसको एक बना सकते कहानी कि व्यक्ति ये बीमार थी, उसको फटाफट उन्होंने इलाज किया, फाइनली उसको तेज बुखार था, उसने पट्टी लगाई, दवा दी, दवा का नाम भी लिखना चाहे तो लिख सकते हैं, और उसके बाद फाइनली जब वो सो गई तो उसने गया, मुंह धोया, अपने आप को फ्रेश किया और उसके बाद किताब लेके बगल में ही रह गया ताकि वो देखे रहे. फाइनली रात भर की मशक्क़त में सुबह काफ़ी आराम मिल गया, तब उसने डॉक्टर को दिखाया, प्रॉपर मेडिकेशन दिया और शीर घी, और जल्दी ही उसकी सिस्टर ठीक होगी या वाइफ ठीक होगी. वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू राइट. जैसे कोई वर्किंग सर्विंग पीपल हैं, उन लोगों की शादी भी हो चुकी है, तो दे कैन थिंक ऑफ देयर वाइफ ऑल्सो. इट्स नेचुरल. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दैट. नाउ वी कम डाउन टू द नेक्स्ट सिचुएशन, दैट इज योर पिक्चर नंबर 3, आइडिया रिक्वेस्ट बाय सार्थक गुप्ता. इसमें इन्होंने सार्थक जी ने तस्वीर दी है, वन मैन, ओल्ड मैन एंड अ यंग मैन स्टैंडिंग टुगेदर. देखिए ये बहुत नॉर्मल सी बात है कि यहाँ पे एक जवान बंदा है, उसकी माँ दिख रही है, माँ स्वरूप दिख रही है, या कोई सीनियर जन दिख रही है, जो भी आपको बनाना चाहते हैं. अगर आप मैनेजर दिखाना चाहते हैं, मैनेजर थे, ही वॉज अ लॉयर. अगर आप दिखाना चाहते हैं तो ही वेंट डाउन टू ओल्ड लेडी, शी वांटेड टू डू हर इनहेरिटेंस. He did the papers properly, understood the situation properly, and made proper papers so that she does not have any problem. He also secured the interest of the client. अपने काम को उसने दिल लगा के किया. जैसे कुछ वकील दिल लगा के करते, इसीलिए उनकी रेपुटेशन दिन दुनी रात चौगनी बढ़ती जाती है। तो उसने अच्छे से किया और वो ओल्ड लेडी, रिच लेडी की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करी। सून हिज रेपुटेशन ऑल्सो स्प्रेड एंड ही गॉट मोर केसेस एंड thus he became a prominent lawyer. लिख सकते हो? हाँ. Next, one more thing can be written here, that a person, he had come from this, he came to know that his mother is little worried and she wants some project to be done before she leaves. He says, not to worry, I will take care. She wanted to come up with a school for the poor people. He decided a proper plan, how it can be done, and he realized that she has a limited budget, so he did it very nicely. उसने अच्छे से बनाया कि it is done within the economical cost, so that some money is also saved for the running of the school. Finally, due to the very good planning and the proper efforts, the school became functional and students started coming and things became fluent and the old lady's dream was fulfilled. लिख सकते हो? क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक्शन में व्यक्ति ज़्यादा, I mean the boy is looking more well positioned, whereas the lady is looking like old person. Naturally, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ हीरो कोशिश करो लाजमी रूप से relevant बनाओ. The person who is capable, who is having resources, who can really do justice to the job, वो अगर बनाएंगे तो कहानी भी आपकी अच्छी हो जाएगी. I hope you have understood that. So this you can write. It can also be written as a person who was supposed to, कि भाई एक टाउन प्लानर था, उसको बोला गया कि भाई जाके बुजुर्गों की समस्या सुनो. He went down to every old people, he picked up their information, came to know about the things, and thereafter he formulated a policy where they created that the old people would be living nearby a hospital as well as near school, small children's school, so that in case they have medicine problem, they can get the help of hospital, and in case they have problem of the small children, they will during the next time, during the empty time, they can teach the small children. By this way, he creates a good project and the old people also become happy because they now feel very well cared as well as useful in helping the children study. लिख सकते आप. So you're getting 2-3 ideas. I hope you've got it, Sarthak. God bless you. Let's go down to the next one. This idea requested by Satyam Singh. This is about somebody, people watching and this boy looking, and somebody is trying to see something here in the stomach. Now, negative and positive perception. One can think of people stabbing him and killing him. One can think of people giving him first aid. So, आपके ऊपर है, आप किस तरीके से सोच रहे हो. अगर आप किसी को चाकू घोंपने की सोच रहे हो तो भगवान बचाए आपसे, पर अगर आप किसी की फर्स्ट एड के बारे में सोच रहे हो तो ईश्वर आपको हमेशा आशीर्वाद दे. सो दीज आर डिफरेंट वेज टू लुक एट थिंग्स. आपके विचारों को आपको देखना होगा कि क्या उचित सोचते हो. मान लीजिए आपको अनुचित विचार आते हैं तो थोड़ा सा सकारात्मक सोचना शुरू कीजिए. कल जिंदगी है कि नहीं है, ये सकारात्मक विचार है. कल जिंदगी शायद नहीं रहेगी, ये नकारात्मक विचार है. And if you are still dwelling in negative thoughts, then how will you live tomorrow? So you have to live in a positivity. As a leader, as an officer, you have to be more positive. So think positively. So here you can see that so and so had got injured. By the time the doctor arrived, these people made the necessary first aid and gave him some relaxation. Then the doctor, who was a young person, he immediately got into job. He not only gave proper injection but also re-bandaged the person with his wound and gave him necessary relaxation so that he gets okay. लिख सकते. Imagine ये situation ये भी हो सकती है कि there were people working and suddenly the whole building collapsed. तो कुछ लोगों को चोट लग गई, तुरंत सब लोग ने एक दूसरे की मदद की, पर तब तक सीनियर डॉक्टर नहीं थे तो जूनियर डॉक्टर को ही बुला लिया, पर तब तक उन्होंने उसको फर्स्ट एड दी. इसके बाद उन्होंने काम किया. यू कैन मेक जूनियर डॉक्टर एज ए हीरो, या यू कैन मेक दिस जेंटलमैन हु इज गिविंग फर्स्ट एड ऑल्सो एज हीरो. इमीडिएटली उसने नेसेसरी एक्शन किया अपनी पुरानी लर्निंग के बेसिस पे काम किया। विचारों को समझिए, विभिन्न प्रकार के विचारों को जानिए। आपकी सोच, आपकी इमरजेंसी में नेसेसरी एक्शन, आपकी हिम्मत, आपकी सूझबूझ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। एंड बाय दिस स्टोरी यू विल बी एबल टू से दैट इन इमरजेंसी you will be able to use your reasonability rather than wait only for the doctor and do nothing. You will always think reasonable, so you will be able to show your competence. अपनी काबिलियत दिखा सकते हैं। सत्यम सिंह, I hope I have given you a good enough idea. Okay. Now this request is by Divya Verma from Delhi. Well, we are going to help you there. Now this is speaking of a person. Now you can take her as a girl, you can take her as an investigator. So and so was an investigator. She saw that a small child had seen about a crime. So she picks up and inquires everywhere. सब जगह जाके पता लगाती है. She takes the photograph of the people involved and shows it to the child and inquires all the details. She makes a small report for the same, makes sure that every other things are well covered, and finally she identifies who's the criminal. Thus she does full justice to her job and puts the wrong criminal behind the bar. भाई जेल में डाल दिया, yes or no? तो एक लग रहा है कि एक उससे बात पूछ रही है तो बता सकते। अगर आप इसको अलग तरीके से भी लिखना चाहते हैं तो ये भी कह सकते हैं। साइकोलॉजी में भी आपको तस्वीर दिखाई जाती है, तो यू कैन से so and so was a career counselor and she wanted to identify the child's aptitude. One day a young boy, when she came, she showed him different pictures and identified what is his dreams, what are his inspirations, and went into deep analysis. और उसकी पूरी ताकत, कमजोरी सब पहचानी। उसके बाद उसने उसको एडवाइस किया, since you want to be a courageous person, you want to adventure out, you want to do good society work, you can join the armed forces. And finally the boy gets inspired and joins the armed forces and becomes an officer. लिख सकते हो? So getting the point, दो तीन ideas हैं दिव्या वर्मा। अगर if you want to make it on a girl, you can also make it that so and so went to a psych. अब बोलोगे सर इसमें मैं कैसे? वैसे तो देखिए कभी भी gender is not the issue. How you express the individual, what thoughts, that will be taken as your psychology. But still, if you really want to do it, so and so had gone to a psychologist. She was consulting a small boy. She waited for a chance. Finally, she got an opportunity. और फिर आपका लड़की के भी बन सकती, because PPT में तो हम लोग को ज़्यादातर तस्वीर से ही व्यक्ति लेना होता है, पर टैट में हम कहीं से भी व्यक्ति को ला सकते हैं. We can get our thoughts fluent because there is no compulsion. कोई निर्धारित नहीं होता कि इसी में से लेना है. हाँ, स्टोरी का भाव लेना है. We have to take the part of the story, so we can do that. I hope it's clear. Okay, next we come down to next one by Uma Katyan. This is idea requests. Now here it clearly shows that people are there, horse is there, people are there, and she looks to be a student or a nurse. You know, those particularly medical students. So you can make it a medical student. Medical student was, या फिर वो जो आप लोग का UNO में help के लिए होते हैं, तो so and so was a lady. Imagine, okay, Uma, let's take it. Uma was posted with the UNO forces in so and so place, where she found there was a war condition. She was supposed to take the help. She decided to organize it properly. She had learned in the training that she should need to create a proper system of taking care and regular medicines. So she decided to slot proper time and kept a proper record book in which everyone's record was there. This way she was able to monitor them well. And every emergency patient was also immediately examined and put into the proper beds so that they can take care. And by her concentrated effort, she was able to help many, and soon the problem in that area was resolved, and the UNO forces were very happy with her work and her team, and their entire team was awarded. लिख सकते हो. There's nothing wrong, because this is the way you should think. You should think of giving full justice to your job. You should have the vision to plan how you will do it. And you have to have the spirit also. It should not be money based. There are many people who do only for money. This is unfortunate, unfortunate, unfortunate. The world will not remain the same if this will happen for too long. So yaad rakhiyega, you can write the story. If you want to write any other story, you can also write कि she was a student, she went to different places, या वो NGO worker थी, वो अन्य जगह गई, वहाँ की समस्या पकड़ी, उसके बेसिस पे रिपोर्ट बनाई, गवर्नमेंट को दी, जिससे गवर्नमेंट ने एक अच्छा पॉलिसी बना के उस जगह को मदद किया, ये भी लिख सकते हो. Is it clear? So you getting some ideas, I hope. Now let's go down to the next one, please. Now idea request by Raghav Subramaniam. This is of armed forces kind of thing. It looks like somebody standing here. There is a, now you can say that so and so was a district magistrate. He comes to know about riot, so he immediately gets the police officer and goes to the place. He not only controls the people with firmness, but also later with the help of announcing, he talks to them and communicates to them that they don't have to do this. Otherwise, they would be falling into difficult thing. As well as he catches all of the right people, punishes them and puts them behind the bar, controls the situation. Administration में मोहब्बत नहीं, समझदारी की जरूरत होती है. कई बार आपको थोड़ी सख्ती करनी होती है, थोड़ी समझदारी से समझाना भी होता है. You have to not only be firm, but you also have to explain. So you can make a story there. Or if you want to write armed forces, people come to know that in Srinagar there has been stone pelting. So he immediately comes there. They uses the lights in the night time so that they can make focus and identify proper people creating the problem. They now, since they know that these days people hide, so they used a night drone cameras, fitted with night cameras, and they flew it up. Immediately when this was seen by the criminals, they ran away. They decided to protect themselves. याद रखना, दुष्ट लोग हमेशा परेशान ज़्यादा होते हैं क्योंकि वो दुष्टता करने के बाद खुद चोरी से, एक चोर की भावना से, एक नकारात्मक भाव से ग्रसित होते हैं. They automatically, since they have done the fault, they are worried about it. So this happens. So remember that is very important. And you can do that. And thus he controlled the situation. He also surrounded the place. जो भी आपको और लिखना है. तो स्टोरी आइडिया उम्मीद है आ गया होगा. आप आर्मी ऑफिसर बन सकते हो, पुलिस बन सकते हो, सिक्योरिटी बन सकते हो. आप अगर कोई फैशन शो में या कोई सिंगिंग शो में कोई लोग ने भीड़ ने तमाशा कर दिया, उसको रख सकते हो. आजकल क्रिकेट मैच के बाद तमाशा होता है, उसको भी बना सकते हो. So you'll get immense idea. But you should know that in crowd management, two things is important. Firm administration, firmness, surrounding them properly, and identifying the criminals. Once you identify them, the people get discouraged. That is why demonstration. याद रखिएगा, कभी कभी हम लोग जानबूझ के, अगर हमें प्रशासन अच्छे से करना है तो एक दो लोगों को सबके समक्ष, सबके सामने दंड देना पड़ता है. और ऐसे देने से क्या लाभ मिलता है, उसका उदाहरण बनता है और अनुशासन आता है. Got it? Okay. Now we come down to story in picture number 8. Idea request by Revati Iyer, Coimbatore. Well, Revati, this is a very simple picture. I'm sure you must have seen the library. You must have always used different places. In your house, you must have some library where you keep your books. Well, this is very clear. If you have done debate, you can write a story. Revati was interested to give a debate, so she went down to the library, picked up all the different things, utilized it, made a well draft, and practiced the speeches and whatever you do. And you all must practice speech, please. Nobody is going to get any cake in their face, in their mouth, ki lo khalo. Arre bhaiya, you'll have to work hard. So just open up your speech. So she did the debate and thus she was able to get selected. Suppose you want to write about your SSB preparation, how you did it. She went down to the library, she picked up few books and made a proper note of what are they going to be processed. She also decided that they will have to do certain amount of lectures, other thing on national, international issues. So she read from a good book all the essays and gathered all the details, made notes of it so that she can be fluid. So when she went into the SSB, she was able to not only update, give the necessary information about general knowledge, but also be confident to perform well in group discussion. कह सकते हो. तो ये डिबेट भी बन सकता है, ये एसएसबी प्रिपरेशन भी बन सकता है। अगर आपने कोई साइंटिफिक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है तो अगेन दैट कैन ऑल्सो कम अप। किसी ने मैथ्स ओलंपियाड किया है, वो भी आ सकता है। किसी को एक प्रेजेंटेशन देने के लिए स्कूल में मिला हो तो भी आ सकता है, बिकॉज फॉर द प्रेजेंटेशन शी वेंट देयर, गॉट द बुक, गॉट द नेसेसरी डिटेल्स, made a presentation. Yes, so a lot of ideas are coming in. I hope you are satisfied now. Now here, this is very clearly of a boat in difficult thing. ये दिख रहा है कि बोट डूब रही है. So what are you going to do about it? Well, you got to take action. You can, this boat is in bad condition, but that boat is little on the lighter condition. So you can be a person from the other boat. So and so boat, he saw that one of the boat is overcrowded and the wave has engulfed in it and is making people drown. He immediately acted, immediately turned his boat, came and helped few people shift there. He also gave the necessary support. By quick action, they were able to not only save the people but also the boat, which was the source of earning for the poor person. इस तरीके की कर सकते हो. आप चाहो तो नेवी, कोस्ट गार्ड या मरीन नेवी ने पीपल, फिशरमैन्स और ट्रैवलर्स को दिक्कत में देखा, इमीडिएटली एक्ट किया. आप चाहो तो फ्लड सिचुएशन में लिख सकते हो. देयर कैन बी अ फ्लड सिचुएशन, हाउ यू रिएक्ट टू इट. You react, but people in panic overcrowd. But then you have to react to it. Now you are not going to charge them, okay, so you overcrowded, now you drown. No, you will have to think of solutions. So the moment you have a thought process of solutions, you'll do better. So I hope it's clear. So ये situation से समझ में आ रहा है कुछ? Yes or no? So you can talk about it. Emergency है इसलिए मैंने इसको इसी तरीके से लिया. अब आर्यन सिंह ने ये दिया है, दो लोग पानी, they are wearing these spectacles, look like diving people, like deep sea divers. You can also write a story. So and so were very much interested in adventure sports. So he went for deep sea diving. He learned how to control, how to use the oxygen cylinder and go for deep diving and how to capture. He was very much interested. ये भी लिख सकते हो story. It is not necessary हर समय समस्या ही हो. कुछ आपकी इच्छाएं हैं कि आप डीप सी डाइविंग करेंगे तो वो भी कहानी में आप लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि कलम आपके पास, ताकत आपके सोचने की, लिख सकते हैं अपने सपने को. सो यू कैन राइट. एंड सपोज यू वांट टू राइट समथिंग दैट समथिंग इज ड्राउन्ड. अभी हाल ही में एक few years back one of the plane had gone into the sea and it was searched, so you can use it. So and so was a Navy officer who was told to do the thing. He was a very good diver. He did this and he found out finally few evidences. Thereafter they used other scientific equipments and got the debris out. मतलब वो जो मलबा है उसको बाहर निकाला. So you can write a story on that. You also want to write something on custom people, that the custom officers comes to know that people hide the things under the water. So they decide that they will use deep sea divers and get the things. And thereafter, this way they catch hold of it, the entire set of smugglers. You can do that. You have to be smart to survive. That's it. So Aryan saying you've got an idea, you can go by it because the picture clearly shows that. Adventure पे भी लिख सकते हो, ड्यूटी पे भी लिख सकते हो. कई बार ड्यूटियों में लोग कई बार प्रकार के एडवेंचर चीजें सीखते हैं ताकि वो अच्छे से कर सके. Got it? Okay. Now we come down to picture number 11. Idea request by Avi Kumar. This is very clearly fire type situation है. कुछ आग लगी हुई है, लोग watch कर रहे हैं. You can always come up with this, that cremation में होता है, yes or no. So somebody has passed away, unfortunately neighbors. So they went down to the cremation, they completed. उसके बाद they came home, they took care of the neighbor's family. They also did their duty as a neighbor. They made sure that everybody is relaxed, and after the condolence was over in 13 days, those people returned and they thanked him, and thus वो जो ड्यूटी होती है नेबर की वो कर सकते. चलो ये भी बात कर सकते हैं कि अभी कैलिफोर्निया फायर हुई थी, yes or no, और दिमाग में है, ठीक है आप कैलिफोर्निया में नहीं है, but you can certainly become so and so. John was so and so as a California police. He came to know about the fire. A lot of things were burning. He immediately acted intelligently. he did this, like he used the water brigade, but he also used a system of pushing it from cutting down trees in between to create a gap for fire not to continue. And this way, with systematic planning, he was able to cut down the fire substantially. ये भी आप कर सकते हैं. You can also make it as a scientist. Scientist so and so realize that a fire is huge, and he decides that the artificial rain can be a good source. As the fire is close to the ocean, he gets the permission from the president, and then with a set of scientists, they create artificial rain, and they get the clouds to rain down on the forest and thus control the fire. लिख सकते हो? Very good. Can be innovative, no problems. अगर accident हो गया, somebody, there were a few people who saw that a vehicle has caught fire, तो उन्होंने तुरंत उसको बाहर निकाला. They immediately acted quick, got it down. Unfortunately, the crowd realized that the things were burning very badly, but he went forward, saved the person, got him out, pushed him to the hospital and saved his life. ये भी बन सकती स्टोरी. So ideas बहुत सारे हैं, लिखने की पद्धति अच्छी होनी चाहिए. कभी भी नकारात्मक परिस्थिति मिलेगी तो आपको उसको हल करने की आदत होनी चाहिए. You should know how to create a right hero who can solve it. Now, hero doesn't have to be your day-to-day life also. It can be prominently somebody from society. आप दो जगह से सीखते हो, याद रखनी है. You learn from two things. One from your experience and one from your observation. And of course, the third is from your books by learning. So you should utilize all these three sources and write stories. Is it clear? Okay. Now we come down to picture number 12. Idea request by Neha Jhanjar, Panipat. Okay. Here there is a girl watching up. So, and a picture as if she's posing for a camera. So and so realized, अगर आपको social work लिखना है, so and so realized that a lot of people are doing daredevilry photographs, and unfortunately many of them are losing life. So as a social activist, उसने decide किया कि सब लोगों को इस चीज के प्रति सजग किया जाए and create a system of. So she not only cuts down the clips of those people who lost their lives, but also wrote how the other people of their family suffered. So when they spread this story, people got understood that they should not do it, and thus they got discouraged not to repeat the mistake. लिख सकते हो, there is nothing wrong with it. होना चाहिए. So and so was a news journalist भी बना सकते हो. So and so realized that a new thing has been discovered in the sand. There is some digging. By some digging, they came to know that there are certain areas. Suppose you want to write what is wrong. Then she took the picture from there. She not only identified the place, but she also brought this to the notice of the government. The government took the necessary action and got hold of it. Similarly, you want to write a criminal investigation by a brave lady, you can also do that. That she went to the different places even in the night and took photographs and thus got evidences and proved the case and won the victory. लिख सकते हो. So keep multiplying your ideas. जितना ज़्यादा multiply करोगे, solutions sort out करोगे, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. आप अगर ये भी लिखना चाहते हो कि so and so were supposed to do a night show, लोगों के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज करना था, तो वो लोकेशन पे गई, वहाँ पे फोटो खींची, जगहों के बारे में आइडेंटिफाई किया, रियलाइज्ड कि मोर लाइट्स वुड बी रिक्वायर्ड एज वेल एज मेनी थिंग्स, तो उसके बेसिस पे अच्छा प्लान किया, और नेक्स्ट टाइम जब नाइट शो हुआ वो बहुत शानदार हुआ. यस और नो, रेकी करते हो ना, आगे यू गो अहेड एंड डू दैट इन्वेस्टिगेशन, डू दैट. नाउ वी कम डाउन टू पिक्चर नंबर 13. आइडिया रिक्वेस्ट बाय पूजा वैद्या, शोलापुर. Here it is very clearly two people talking, a young lady with an old lady. She's down. Okay, it can be sleeping also. It's not necessary कि illness ही हो. So and so went and visited her. So they were supposed to organize a show. Yeah, principal was down with fever. So the main teacher went down to her, met her, understood the entire responsibilities. She realized that she has to do the responsibility proper. तो जो प्रिंसिपल चाहती थी फंक्शन अच्छे से हो, उसको अच्छे से प्लान किया, क्या क्या किया वो बता दो, एंड फाइनली शी मेड इट सक्सेसफुल. when the principal came on that day, she was very happy with the efforts. लिख सकते हो. You can also make this of a young girl who brings pride to her mother, who मेहनत करती है और अच्छे से बनाती है. That's also can be done. Similarly, there can be n number of stories where you can write. You can write of a person who's a responsible doctor. She realizes so and so is a problem. She takes interest. She finds a unique disease is there. She catches all the details, and being a researcher, she works on it, and finally she discovers the medicine for it. लिखी जा सकती है. कहानी में अद्भुतपन, हिम्मत, लर्निंग की इच्छा, courage, all these things can be written, and I hope you do that. So Pooja, you have got an idea. God bless you. Now let's get going to next one. Now this is from Rituras Rathore, okay. Anyway, now this is a person going on a trekking. Now in this trekking, what is happening is, there are people going on trekking. They were supposed to go and make some arrangement in a camp, या mountaineering पे आप दिखाना चाहते हो वो दिखा सकते हो, या they are given a duty to go and cover an outpost, तो army वाली दिखा सकते हो. So they take all the material, plan everything, and they go there. Now show planning there, because in such things the description will not do the job. इससे पहले कभी भी कोई क्रिया होती है, एक समझदार व्यक्ति always plans it beforehand, makes a proper listing, makes a proper addressal, clears all the confusion and gets the job done properly. So आप ये इसमें बना सकते हैं. एक ट्रैकिंग में है कि वो लोग गए, they not only captured but they also put the national flag and made it proud. लिख सकते हो. You can do that in case you are adventure seeking, and in case you have done some activity like this before, you can do that. Particularly army people who are serving, they will be reminded of so many times when they went to different places. I am reminded of my night march chart. Night march, when we did night march in Madras. That time it was called Madras, now Chennai. So these things do happen. So you can write that, and what they learned from it, what they experienced, how they helped each other, that can be written. So your effort of bravery, your effort of camaraderie, your way to think, your way to plan can also come. Now let's come down to situation number 15. Idea request by Rajat Kumar from Mirzapur. Now this is very clearly some kind of thing burning in the road and a vehicle standing nearby, people watching. Now this can be, unfortunately, there are many things. Effigy log jalate hain to protest, to show that the leaders, so and so is a security officer. He sees that people are collected and they are risking. They are burning very close to the car. So immediately acts. He not only controls the burning place but also moves the car away, which is already getting repaired, so that the trouble does not multiply. By his quick action, he saves a possible accident. अब यहाँ पे proactive vision, visualization, ये भी दिख रहा है, planning दिख रही है, सोचने की क्षमता दिख रही है, a person's ability to understand responsibility दिख रही है, sense of responsibility दिख रही है. Irresponsible, मरो जाके तुम लोग करो जो करना, पर जिम्मेदार क्या होता है? He cares. Similarly, control security officer बन गए, या पुलिस ऑफिसर बन गए, या आर्मी ऑफिसर बन गए, and control the situation, yes or no. Understood? या एक डॉक्टर भी बन सकते हो कि डॉक्टर saw that during this one person picked up, so immediately he acted quick, he gave him first aid, but he also moved the other people, he was passing by. अब कई लोग जो अच्छे जिम्मेदार होते हैं वो दूसरों को कष्ट में देख के भी मदद करते, और गैर जिम्मेदार तो फिर दूसरों की सेवा तो असंभव. They will not think of helping others. That is the approach. Anyway, now we come down to picture number 16. Idea request by Puneet Dahiya, Ambala. Now, this is very clearly seen that they are in jungle, they are doing some kind of picnic type thing. So you want to organize a picnic? Wonderful, you can do that. So and so along with his family decided to go for a picnic, so they decided this. The children wanted to do the cooking there itself with the help of wood, so they made arrangements so that they can really teach them. Also, see, all these experiences of picnicking and all, they're very educative also. They teach you how to be together. They also teach you how to manage your day-to-day life. लिविंग इन एयर कंडीशन चैम्बर्स इज नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व योर लाइफ. आपकी जिंदगी को सरल नहीं करेगा बल्कि जटिल करेगा. तो ये याद रखिए. तो यू कैन राइट दैट और उसमें प्लानिंग दिखा सकते हो. दैट इज समथिंग you want to, you're a girl, you want to write. Suppose Pooja is writing and she wants to make a girl, she can make कि वो उसने बच्चों को सिखाया या एक लेडी टीचर पकड़ ली. और अगर कोई वैसे है तो यू कैन मेक अ पर्सन, बाहर से भी दिखा सकते हो कि उसने लेडी टीचर के साथ सब लोग को सिखाया. यू कैन डू एनीथिंग. कैंपिंग सिखाना, स्काउट्स एंड गाइड्स में आपने क्या सीखा, ऑल दीज थिंग्स कैन बी डन. हाउ टू एजुकेट अ पर्सन, चिल्ड्रन. How do you educate? By setting good examples and giving them right information. Okay, now we come down to situation number 17. Idea request by Ratish Sharma, Noida. This picture is a lady watching inside. Now this is a stalwart. It's a milestone picture. Milestone. Why? I'll tell you. इधर ही से आपकी बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्टिव टेस्ट तैयार हुए. रोजनविक ने बहुत पहले एक तस्वीर ऐसी ही एक व्यक्ति को दिखाई थी और उसने देखा कि उसने कहानी बना दी बच्चे ने. द पर्सन रोट अ स्टोरी दैट दिस इज अ मदर ऑफ अ बॉय, शी इज वेरी डोमिनेटिंग, वेरी अपसेट. देयर आर पीपल दे गेट आफ्टर यू टू मच, डोंट डू एनीथिंग कंस्ट्रक्टिव देमसेल्फ बट ओनली पुश बिहाइंड यू. व्हाई? either they are being misguided by someone or they themselves are silly. See, this kind of obsessive compulsive disorder is also a mental disease, where they learn not to live and neither let others live. Similarly, a lady, though she is mother of the child, has got after him to the extent that the boy wrote a story that this is mother, she always gets after him. अब ये जब कहानी लिखी थी उस बंदे ने, so everybody realized that our mental disorder walks in from very bad experiences and they remain in our subconscious. So अगर हम नॉर्मल तस्वीर दिखाते हैं व्यक्ति को and whenever he writes uniquely odd, that is very clear that this is a psychological disease in that person. वो किसी चीज से परेशान है. We are looking for mentally balanced people, but somebody is getting too much irritated with something, which we called as picture frustration study. Rosenbeek, you can search it and you'll come to know. तो ये स्टोरी बहुत स्टॉलवर्ड थी. कई बार पेरेंट्स का रोल एक्सेसिव हो जाता है, नेगेटिव हो जाता है. टीचर्स का रोल नेगेटिव हो जाता है, फ्रेंड्स का रोल नेगेटिव हो जाता है, नेबर्स का गलत हो जाता है, जिसके कारण हमारी जो सोच है खराब हो जाती है. Do you become very, very funny, you become very double standard, you become triple standard and you become very bad. So here the picture is of that similar kind. Now here if you are making a picture, you can make a picture of a person that who is supposed to invite a guest. She makes a proper arrangement, she checks everything, she makes sure जो planning and organizing वाली story होती है लिख सकते हो या एक surprise में लिख सकते हो कि so and so was studying in the NDA. When he went, he decided not to tell her mother and then he comes and gives her a surprise. But along with that takes her this जो भी आपको लिखना हो, अपने emotions को व्यक्त करना है कर लीजिए. Healthy emotions are acceptable. Extreme emotions are not acceptable. Negative emotions are not acceptable. नकारात्मक emotions नहीं स्वीकार हैं, ज़्यादा emotion नहीं स्वीकार हैं, पर balanced healthy emotions स्वीकार हैं. So you can write down. Rati got the point. So Rati, you just have to balance it. You must be having some good memories of your mother or good memories of some hotel manager or good memories of some elder sister, whatever. You can write a story here. Now we come down to picture number 18. Now this is a stale railway station story. Very simple. It is about your journey. You want to write something about your journey. You want to write about something, how you went from a railway station, how you came, or during the railway station if you had, how did you help people in the coach, or in between when the railway had some problem, what did you manage? If there was any problem, water in the compartment, how did you help others? If there was a problem of somebody coming as an emergency health, किसी की तबीयत खराब हो गई रेलवे में, रेल ट्रैवल में, तो भी आप उस पे कहानी, बहुत सारे आइडियाज आते हैं. शूरवीर, you just have to pick one of them. You just go back to your memory lanes when you realize, learn something from the railway, and you help people. I hope you don't sit down like a paid guest sitting everywhere in the railway station. You always help people, right? Don't you? अब वो पता चला बीच में तबीयत खराब हुई, आपको दौड़ के पानी लेके आए. Whatever you managed, you went down to the people in the train itself and arranged a doctor. ये सब कुछ ना कुछ किया होगा, कभी ना कभी किया होगा. या कोई ऐसी दिक्कत आ गई, या रेलवे से जहां गए, जो भी गए, वो भी लिख सकते हो. So and so worked up and finally he reached the railway station and reached the spot. ये भी बना सकते हो. या रेलवे स्टेशन में जाते समय कई बार हम लोग को ट्रेन में बूढ़े लोग मिल जाते हैं and they have huge problem. And many of you youngsters are now sitting very coolly. I find this funny. In my culture it was not there. We were more of a gentlemanly. Even in metros we find people sitting unwatchful ki old man is having trouble or bachcha liye hai. No, they don't get up. Now this is bad manners. Not bad manners, this is bad traditions. And the armed forces likes good tradition. So if you have a tradition, you can get up and offer them the chair. Similarly, in the train also you get difficulties old people having and you help them, don't you? So if you do that, write a story. That is what they are looking for. Shuvir, it is not only bravery by picking up something, picking up the tank on your finger, or becoming a Christian, Lord Krishna by picking the Govardhan on the finger. No, no, no. We are also looking for compassionate consideration, care and support, because that is sum total of leadership. Is it clear? Okay, now we come down to picture number 19. Kaval Singh from Amritsar has shown a picture of some people in the water and some people walking by. So very neatly, this is a very simple picture of people while walking by. They saw that some people are being washed away by currents. They immediately jump and save the person. या उसको स्विमिंग नहीं आती थी पर उसने देखा 2-3 लकड़ियां रखी हैं, दोनों लकड़ियों को फटाफट बांध के आगे दे दिया और दौड़ के आगे बढ़ के दे दिया. तो the person held on to the stick and then they helped the person come slowly to the shore. लिख सकते हो. Whatever you have done, always remember courage with intelligence is the beautiful combination. And courage alone without intelligence is a very, very fatal combination. So अच्छी combination बनाइए, that's it. So I hope Kamal you can get it. You can also see that so and so there are people. I mean that's it. And now don't make it negative that they are already dead or anything. Come on. Think positive. Think positive. Think of saving. Think of solutions. Don't think of problems. Now we come down to picture number 20, idea request by Purab Singh from Patna. It is about person talking to few people sitting down below under a tree. Now this clearly looks like traveling. This clearly looks like some elderly person training them. So they can say that a group of boys, one day the teacher took them, they taught him there, then they made him sit under the tree, explained them, took their ideas to get the right way, how to help the village. या तो ये देख लो, या how to help the situation. और आर्किटेक्चर में भी कई बार टीचर्स ले जाते हैं उन लोगों को आउटसाइड की प्लान करो. या फिर कभी कभार आपको स्पोर्ट्स के अच्छे प्लेयर्स, दे मेक यू सिट डाउन अंडर द ट्री टू प्लान योर स्ट्रेटजी सो दैट यू कैन गो एंड प्ले प्रॉपरली. बहुत सारे आइडियाज हैं. पूरब, आई एम श्योर यू कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम देयर. आई हैव जस्ट गिवन यू अ हिंट. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, ये प्रकार की तस्वीरों से आपकी डे टू डे लाइफ के बहुत सारे आइडियाज मिलेंगे. इट कैन बी दैट द पर्सन इज इंस्ट्रक्टेड, देन वन पर्सन रेजेस अप एंड ही डिसाइड ही विल लीड एंड एवरीबडी ही डज. ही गेट्स एवरीबडी टुगेदर और काम करता. वो सब लोगों को बिठा लेते, पूछते कौन ये करेगा. एक ने अपना हाथ उठाया, वो आगे आया, उसने सबको जोड़ा और काम किया. लीडरशिप हो गई. So these kind of things can happen in your day-to-day things. It can be in your match preparation. It can be in terms of agricultural visit, or it can be in terms of structural visit. It can be social awareness visit. Everything can be done here. Yes, they are looking as if sitting under a tree. Can be a summer day. गर्मियों में अक्सर छाया के नीचे बैठ जाते लोग. Can be written. Or it can also be after tired exercise, they sat down for some time and after refreshment, they started again, right? तो स्टोरी आइडियाज दे रहा हूँ, पूरी स्टोरीज भी नहीं, एक दो में दे दी, आपको समझ में आएगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो पूरब सिंह, let's go for a small short revision. This is a normal situation which you can take to different side. Now when we go back to this is a clearly a situation of drowning or some kind of crisis in the water. Yes, because there are people being shown here and people, so clearly you have to act as if to help the person. Next, in this situation, they are clearly showing you a train, so you can utilize your railway experience, the way you travel to whichever place. Yeah, finally you reach the railway station and reach, ये भी लिख सकते हो. Or he went in time and from the train he reached there. Thereafter, जो भी आप तस्वीर का use आप बहुत आसानी से कर लोगे. Next, this is about lady, can be preparation, can be guest acceptance, can be surprise, whatever. Next, इस तस्वीर में क्लियरली एक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन हो रहा है, छोटे बच्चों को पिकनिक टाइप सिखाया जा रहा है या कुकिंग सिखाई जा रही है या स्काउट्स एंड गाइड सिखाया जा रहा है. अगर आप में से किसी ने किया है एनएसएस स्काउट्स एंड गाइड्स तो उस पर भी स्टोरी बनती है. देन वी कम डाउन टू क्लियरली कार खड़ी है, आग लगी है, प्रोटेस्ट दिख रहा है या कोई एक्सीडेंट दिख रहा है, यू कैन यूज दैट. नेक्स्ट वी कम डाउन टू ट्रैकिंग दिख रही है या प्लानिंग दिख रही है, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिख रही है, नाइट मार्च चार्ट वो आप बना सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट यू गेट डाउन, क्लियरली इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहे हैं या तबीयत में देखने आए या समझने आए, काम को पूरा करने आए. Am I right? Okay. Next, we come down to this situation. The person is looking up to the camera. It can be a selfie. It can be collecting evidences. It can be anything. You getting the point? That is what. Then coming down to this situation, again there is a fire spot, people standing nearby. It can be burning of garbage. It can be cleaning awareness thing कि उन्होंने एक जगह गार्बेज इकट्ठा करके बंद कर ली, या कोई एक्सीडेंट हो गया उसको, या somebody has passed away so they were there. Particularly Hindus, because that is they only burn the people, right? Then this is clearly of skydiving. तो आपने दिखा दिया skydiving can be for adventure, can be also for investigation. Then you are very clearly seeing somebody into emergency difficulty. The boat is literally falling down, then person comes and helps, can be written because that is how the picture is predefined. This is a very clearly of a library. It can be for preparation of debate, Olympiad, maths Olympiad, science project, anything. Then we come down to a situation of 7, very clearly controlling riot, controlling army situation, or controlling anything. In the night time, it clearly shows it can be a game fight. After the games हो जाती है लड़ाई, उसको control करना, communal rights, whatever. Then again here very clearly a lady, girl, young girl looking like a student kind of a, and particularly a medical student type or a NGO worker can be written here. Now we come down to the picture 5, very clearly consultation, identification, so agency as well as consultation can be here. Then we come down to picture number 4, very clearly a person is doing, this should not be seen in a negative fashion, should be seen in a positive. जैसे रहोगी संगत वैसे सोचोगे, अगर दुष्ट हो तो तुम्हें इसमें clearly it will be like a murder situation you are lurking, और अगर अच्छे हो तो you will see how to help a person, depends. Picture 3, very clearly a person is picking up the instructions or planning something and then taking advice from the old person can be written. Next, there's nothing wrong in taking advice of the old and experienced because they often have a lot of experience. Human beings are very funny. You know, managing them is very difficult, but you can do that. Learn from elders. And here clearly a person is given re-education, so getting relaxation. Last picture, very clearly a person crying but can control, or other person can come and help and solve. So I hope all these picture ideas are clear to you, and hope you have learned something out of this session. It helps you to open your mind, make it richer, better. And thank you for all the queries. Keep posting us. We'll keep helping you. Thank you very much. Jai.